Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Casio AE1500, the Illuminator model. The first thing that you want to do is to arrive in your home screen. In case you do not see the time and date displayed, what you want to do is to press the mode button, go past all the other functions, and you are going to arrive at your home screen. Here in your home screen you can also switch between the 12-hour display and 24-hour display, so military time, by pressing the start button. So as you can see, now I have 12-hour display, so 9 p.m. and now I have switched back to 24-hour display, so military time. In this position, what we want to do to arrive at the settings is to press and hold the adjust button. You are going to hear a small beep, and then we are going to arrive here. The first thing that we can set are going to be the seconds. These are going to be flickering, so flashing. If I press the start button, they are going to reset to 0. If they are between 1 and 29, they are going to reset to 0 and no minute is going to be added. If they are between 30 and 59, they are going to reset to 0, but also a minute is going to be added, as you could have seen in the beginning. Now I'm going to reset them to 0 again, and as you can see, no minute was added. I'm going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different settings of the watch. Here I'm going to arrive at the hours. I can only press the start button, so I can only go forward. You can press and hold the button in order to speed scroll, as you can see, just like that. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and I'm going to arrive at the minutes. I want to make it 45. So I'm going to press and hold, I'm going to speed scroll, and I'm going to release just a little bit earlier, and then I'm going to go one by one. In case you only want to set the time, this is everything that you had to do, but in case you also want to set the date, you can press the mode button to keep on going. Here you can set the year, the month, so February, and then I can make it, let's say, the 15th of February. I can also use the speed scroll function when setting the date. Now, something really cool about these models is that if you set the year, the month, and the date correctly, your watch is going to calculate automatically the day of the week for you. If I press the mode button once again, I'm going to cycle back from the beginning, and in case I made a mistake, I can change something here. And in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button, and voila, now I have the time and date set correctly. Also, as I mentioned, the watch has calculated automatically that today is going to be a Saturday. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews, so I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.